In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share chats in seconds with Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any conversation into a link you can send in moments without juggling screenshots or messy exports. Start by opening Grok AI and heading straight to the conversation you want to share. Make sure you're inside the specific chat, not just the home screen or a list of recent conversations. Take a second to confirm it's the right thread, the one with the answers or context you want others to see. Remember, what you share reflects exactly what's visible in that chat, so it's a good idea to quickly scan for personal or sensitive details. If there's anything private you don't want to pass along, clean up the conversation first or switch to a version that's ready to be shared. With the chat open, look for the share control in the chat interface. Depending on your view, it may appear as a button labeled share or as a familiar share icon. Click or tap it once. That's all you need to do. Grok instantly generates a unique, shareable link for that conversation and places it in your clipboard. You'll typically see a small confirmation, something like link copied, so you know it worked. If your browser or device asks for clipboard permission, go ahead and allow it so the link can be copied automatically. On some devices, you might see the system share sheet pop up, which simply means the link is ready to send through your preferred app. From there, you can paste the link anywhere you communicate. A message, an email, a team channel, a document, or a support ticket. When your recipients open it, they'll land on the shared conversation and can view the content just as you intended. If you're collaborating, this is a quick way to provide full context without retyping prompts or copying long responses. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't immediately see the share control, make sure you're inside the chat view and not in a collapsed or preview state. Try expanding the window, scrolling to the top of the conversation, or opening the overflow menu if there is one. If the link doesn't appear to copy, click share again and then manually paste in a text field to confirm it's there. And before sending, think about who will receive the link and whether the chat contains anything you'd prefer to keep private. That's it. Open a chat, click share, and you're done. Fast, simple, and perfect for getting everyone on the same page in seconds.